Lydia, Anatolia 7th century, BCE level 2. Coins.
I'm Max, and I'm trying to pass my economics degree one YouTube video at a time. Okay, so last time your money literally rotted. Grain piles, clay tablets. Hope the rats didn't get there first, but something major in history was coming. Something that would shrink a massive storeroom of grain into a pocket pouch. Also, shoving a king's face in your pocket. This is the next level. Level 2. Over to you, Professor Stickbot.
The first widely recognized coins are commonly linked to Lydia in the 7th century BCE. You wake up in Western Anatolia, and the whole logic of value is getting sharper. The breakthrough now is not that metal exists. Metal already exists. The breakthrough is standardization. Before standardized coinage, metal still has to be weighed, judged, tested, and argued over. How pure is it? How much is it? Who says so? Why should I trust your scale? A coin answers all of those questions at once, or at least pretends to. It says, this piece counts. It says, authority stands behind this. It says, value can move faster now. You feel that immediately. For the first time, your wealth starts fitting in a pouch instead of a storeroom. Markets become quicker. Pricing becomes easier. Travel changes. Saving changes. Status changes. If you know the new rules before everyone else, you gain an advantage over people still thinking in sacks, jars, and guesses. You buy in the morning and sell by afternoon. You move from one stall to another without dragging your balance sheet behind you in physical bulk. The world suddenly feels lighter. That lightness is intoxicating, and it comes with a hidden cost. The symbol stamped onto the coin is not decoration. It is politics. It is power saying, trust this because we say so. You are no longer trusting only the material. You are trusting the system that validates the material. That gives rulers a new instrument. Money is becoming statecraft. You can pay troops more easily now. Tax populations more easily now. Coordinate trade more easily now. A coin is a tiny object with an enormous message. Authority has entered your pocket. And because authority has entered your pocket, manipulation can follow it there too. Still, in this moment, it feels like progress. It is progress. You can count faster, compare faster, move faster, hide wealth more easily, transport wealth more safely. You can imagine commercial life expanding well beyond the village, the temple, the local memory. A trader who understands coinage early does not just feel modern. He feels ahead. That is the emotional rhythm of every money revolution. At first, the new system looks strange. Then it looks useful. Then it looks obvious. Then it starts reshaping power.
Your wealth just went from rotting grain to pocket-sized metal. Feels like progress, right? Here's the thing. That symbol stamped on the coin is a king saying, trust this. Because we say so, without even asking you. Next video is level 3. Same coin, but much less power. Let's try pass economics. Subscribe if you want to know more.